Yeah, baby, we got to be on that.
Woo!
Looking real nice. Luxury style. We're gonna have to welcome y'all into our room.
Here we go.
We see how it do.
Okay.
We do a little cheat code and we got the same room category as a regular room, just wheelchair accessible.
So it's
Nice
double the
and big.
size of the room.
Yeah.
Feel like you in a
Yeah.
junior suite.
Yeah, a little place to hang up your stuff.
Uh-huh.
It's real nice in here. They have a little mini fridge that they stocked for us,
Okay.
which is real nice. They got everything in there.
Oh.
Liquor. They even got the little bottle opener for you.
Making sure that you taken care
They
of.
doing it right. I
They
don't
charging
know.
for all that?
I'm not paying for it. And on top of that, we got to show y'all. Typically, the bathrooms and regular main cabin rooms are
Pretty
very
tight.
small.
Pretty
You
tight.
stand
You
in
can't
there,
even
you
really
like
take a
this,
shower
can't move.
normally.
But this one, it got the
Okay.
bathroom looking real nice.
Let's show them what it's
Real
looking like.
Nice and big.
Yeah.
Spin my arms around like this.
Look at that.
It's the height very nice. Up on that cheek
Yeah.
code. This is what it got us. So.
This is an ocean view room, standard, you
Yeah.
know,
Now
but it's
it's-
double the size. MSC doing it right, okay.
And also, we don't typically show the rest of the boat because we don't like to ruin the experience for y'all.
Yeah,
But
yeah, that's
this time, I think we're going to show you guys a little bit of the boat because it's kind of been something that's been requested. And maybe even show you a little sneak peek into the Marine Care Reserve that we're stopping into.
yeah. We supposed to be seeing the lighthouse
We're
and
gonna
all that.
do the
So,
lighthouse and everything. But
all
give
right,
y'all a
well,
little
let's check
sneak
out the
peek
rest of
while
the
we're
boat.
there.
Let's show them what the boat is about. You about to go on a slide? They got all these slides. That's a kid park.
I'm gonna take a video for y'all to see.
Yeah. Wow. Beautiful. Wow.
So scary. I don't even want to walk in the middle of it. Then you got the beautiful view. Of
Beautiful
the wake.
views of the wake.
It's amazing. Very nice.
This is very nice.
Very good. They did a wonderful job with this back here for sure. You can sit in the pool downstairs and watch the wake. That's so amazing.
What they do, they call it the Bridge of Sights,
The
right?
bridge size.
The Bridge of Sighs. Okay.
Hey, we have hey. Ooh, we got to experience this. This MSC's private island, so it's their personal oasis. We're gonna see how it is. We're gonna let y'all know.
You
We're
know?
about to go to the beach right now because man, is it hot out here.
Hot as hell. We saw the documentary on TV.
We saw
and
the
now we're here to
documentary.
experience it live and in person.
Live in person.
I'll tell you what, it is a beautiful
It's
island
beautiful.
for sure.
It's very beautiful.
And it's very hot. Don't
It's
come out
hot.
here unless y'all ready to deal with the sun.
at all, especially in the middle of the summer.
We'll get back to you when we're on the beach.
We just got back from the beach, and I'm going to tell y'all we had an amazing time. They did an amazing job. We seen the documentary, which was they started from scratch, which was amazing.
Oh yeah. They had like a
Absolutely.
3-part series showing
it was
how they
nice.
made this ocean key from beginning to end.
Yeah, and we enjoyed it thoroughly. But
Mhm.
they did a very good job.
Very,
The
very good
lagoon
job.
was really nice. We
Mhm.
did the lighthouse tour, and we have a lighthouse view right from our balcony.
Oh yeah. They about to do like a light
Lighthouse
show.
We're gonna show y'all a little sneak peek at that, but listen, this is something different. I went snorkeling, I seen a stingray, I seen a squid, I seen so many different fish, so the snorkeling here is amazing.
Uh-huh.
And
What about
everything-
the food here?
the
What's
food
going
here
on?
was really good. They did a good job.
Hey, but to let y'all
Absolutely.
know, they close at 2. When y'all
We
come
was
out
like-
here.
We was like, oh, we gotta hurry up and go get something to eat, because by the time we was out there,
You come out here, you trying to get a late start, stay inside a little bit and run out. Yeah, you run out there, the food is closed, 2 o'clock. We have to eat first before we go snorkeling. I heard they had like some sharks out there, some like nurse sharks or something.
Some like salt and pepper sharks or something. But
we didn't get to see him.
I didn't get to see it. He didn't go. He's not going. He didn't go. Don't let him fool you. I went, but
the final review for Ocean Key is 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, absolutely. We're in the lighthouse right now, but I just wanted to show y'all the little jungle pool. That's it.
Jungle pool and all that. Okay. Got it looking like the Congo in here.
Absolutely. It's gonna go paradisey.
Yeah. I don't know about so much paradise, but definitely like the Amazon.
The dining area, you know, it's looking real cute, something cozy. Look, we liking it, and you know, they gave us a nice little table over here to the side because we don't want to be mixed up with everybody. It's a little classy. You know,
got a little window seat.
I like the decor, everything.
Yeah, just so people can see what to expect from MSC.
They got it set up nice. They definitely do.
We're gonna show them a little bit more.
We see y'all on the next one. You're joining the all white affair.
All white, baby. You gotta make sure you come here prepared.
Looking forward to the most to not be in the
So many people.
They're having a good time.
They had to party. We're gonna be out there later.
Yeah. Here we are.
We're gonna give y'all our final review on the MSC Seashore thus far. I could say that everything, you know, it looks nice and classy. They have it set up
very
luxurious.
classy. Look at this. We don't want to make them all jealous.
No, we can't show you too much. The one thing I could say we'll start with is like the staterooms. They have it set up really nice, and the ship is newer. It's like 2021, so you can expect that the staterooms are gonna look much better.
Of course,
for sure. And in regards to the bathroom, the shower itself is quite a bit bigger than I would say on Royal Caribbean for the regular like balcony standard rooms. You know,
yeah,
like,
the shower definitely has a little bit more twirling around space.
Absolutely, I agree. Dining was really nice. You know, the food was better than the buffet. I can say that. Yeah. In regards to the overall like ambiance of the dining room, it was not as grand as I expected it to be.
A little bit lackluster.
It was
especially
lackluster.
Remember, we're comparing all this to Royal Caribbean, who we cruise with often.
Right, and that's our cruise line right there. So, but in regards to that, I would say it's not as grand. They have it set up more as a quaint, like quiet little thing. I would say the pools and the recreational activities and stuff that they have are pretty nice. The slide, I would say, is not the best.
It's not thrilling.
It's not thrilling. the one that you do with the tube, that one was okay, you know. But the slide over the side of the boat was not as thrilling as I expected it to be.
Yeah. Nor
were you actually able to see outside of the slide while you were in it.
Which
you expected, but that's not the case. And then also I would say,
but the you know what, that jungle Amazon
theme pool area that was
nice.
Was set up really nicely. That they did a good job on that.
That's something to look forward to.
Like I said, the pools in general, everywhere that they had the pools set up is like well thought out, you know, like they don't have all the pools crowded on 1 or 2 floors, you know, they have the pools spread out evenly across different decks of the boat and everything, and especially the one that I showed you that looks over the wake of the boat. Everything in regards to that was nice, and the entertainment was pretty cool. We've seen a magic show and a comedian thus far. We're on our last day, so we'll see what they have going tonight. You know, our overall experience, I would say our number one thing that was like our highlight of our cruise was Ocean Key.
Ocean
that
Key.
was amazing.
That made up for everything.
That made up for everything.
When you sit here and say, I'm never coming on this cruise again.
No,
MSC ain't gonna see us.
They're not gonna see us.
We went to Ocean Key. It was nice.
It was something.
It was might have not been as amazing as
Coco Cave.
Coco Cave.
But MSC in general's feel, I feel like it's more adult geared than it is towards kids.
Yeah.
So other than that, I would say we won't be back again, but
we could give MSC a letter grade.
We're gonna give them like a C, maybe even a C minus. Overall, I'm gonna say it's almost worth the money, you know, because you're not paying a lot. It's much less expensive than Royal Caribbean. You get what you pay for, if you understand what I mean.
Absolutely.
So, and we'll talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Ah.